Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. And I am also fine, alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video guys, I am going to share with you most stunning and most beautiful crochet patterns. These are super amazing and most interesting ideas for you guys. You guys will make these crochet patterns at home. These are most unique and outstanding crochet ideas for you guys. So viewers, you guys easily make these crochet at home. And if you don't know about how to make these, then I suggest you that you guys watch tutorials on YouTube about how to stitch these crochet or how to knitting these crochet patterns for your home decor. And guys, I also upload different other knitting crochet patterns videos on my channel. That was amazing. So I give you a suggestion that you guys go and watch those videos. So guys, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Guys, these are beautiful, these are amazing, these are stunning and very latest crochet ideas for you guys. So viewers, I am glad to see you all. Hope so you all are doing well. Guys, these are super amazing and very beautiful collections for you guys. So you guys must make these crochets for your home. These are absolutely outclass and outstanding. So viewers, I am glad to see you all. Hope so guys, you all are doing well. And if you want different hair crochet patterns, then you guys must subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. Guys, these are very amazing, very stunning and very beautiful crochet patterns for you guys. So viewers, I'm glad to see you all. Hope so guys, you all are doing well. These are super amazing and most stunning collections for you guys. So viewers, always think positive guys, always be positive. And I also upload different hair craft videos on my channel. That was amazing. Take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz guys.